Hi, this is the Alcatel 1T10 Smart and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first open Google app, then tap on the right upper corner here, and then tap to the settings. Here click to voice section, tap to voice match, and you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Click once on the switcher, tap to more, I agree, once again more, I agree, next, not now, and you'll see here that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, just tap the voice model, click retain voice model, and repeat after the assistant, and after that just tap to finish, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.